Hi everyone, and welcome to Tuesday's Tips with Lauri. First I want to say happy St. Patrick's Day. I love March 17th. It's a great day, especially for our wonderful buttons always in season collection. We've got great springtime ones right here in front of me, and I do want to point out that these are really wonderful collections, and as you can see, all of these designs come on this one CD, which is amazing. And we've got our trucks, our cars. They're so cute. Let you get a real close up there. Isn't that great? So I do want to share a couple of cool things. I wanted to point out, I love, this is one of my favorite hoops right here. It says, I teach, what is your superpower? What's your superpower? So cute, especially topped off with our cute apple button, and that comes from the Fall Buttons collection. So as you can see, there's coordinating sets that come with each one of these button sets. And so there's our Cozy Winter, Autumn Splendor, our Summer Days right here, and our Spring Day, or Spring Has Sprung. That's a tongue twister for me right there. And what I love about these is, if you note right here on this Spring Has Sprung, I'm going to pull this forward so you can see this right here, and this is our larger wall hanging. Every one of these buttons is placed on the larger wall hanging, and it just makes it really cute. What a great gift, or keep it for yourself if you want. All right, and this is one of my other favorites. Look at this. You're the bee's knees. Isn't that adorable? And it uses the bees from here. So if you pick up a couple of packs of the buttons, you can also make not only the wall hanging, but you can make the coordinating hoops that go with it. As you can see, the rain boots then are placed here on that one. And then up here on the spring tea towel, you can see this cute VW bug, and it's also got the other components of the buttons. So a couple of packs of buttons will go a long ways, and you can make it on several different projects. One of the other things I wanted to show you are these cute new tea towels. Can you see these wonderful new colors? I love these colors. So this would be our lemon. It's a beautiful yellow, and it comes with the dots and the stripes, as well as our steel gray. And then of course we always had our original, the aqua, and our gray, as well as we've got red and navy, if you would like. Lots of different choices to choose from on our tea towels. One more cool bonus is you can pick up our cream and gray tote bag and add the same design to that. So cute. And this is a great gift idea. Lots of really good gift ideas here. And I do want to give a quick tip on our tea towels, the care of our tea towels. We've had a few questions come up. What do we do? How do we wash them? This is what I like to do, and this is what is also on our package instructions. You'll want to wash this in cold water, and I like to put it on a gentle cycle, but when I wash it in cold, no detergent. If you were to buy a black pair of jeans, you would not use soap the first go around. You always just want to set that color in. In order to do so, I highly recommend that you use cold water, no soap, and don't throw it in a hot dryer to tumble dry. Just lay it flat to dry, and your color will set much better. And these are I just love these. This cute old vintage truck and this cute pumpkin in the back with all these, and you can get creative. Use the buttons any way you want. As you can see, there's a pocket on the top of this car, and then the pocket is also in the back of this truck. So you can tuck those buttons right in the pocket of the truck. This is another one of my favorites. You've got to see that. Are we there yet? So fun for our summer vacations. This has got a cute pocket right here. You can see it's a real pocket, and you can add all your goodies on the top. I hope you have a lot of fun stitching our new buttons, always in season. Thank you so much for joining us. Bye-bye.